purpose of a lunar haircut is not to cause drastic change to your hair or styling. You can cut more if you need to, but you don't necessarily have to in order to see the benefits of a lunar haircut. Each lunar haircut is actually equivalent to 16 to 18 acupuncture treatments because it sends a signal up your hair shaft into your root to achieve the desired effect. So it is very, very powerful. Even if you cut off like a 1/16 of an inch, it is equally as powerful than if you cut like 3 inches, and you still get all the benefits of the lunar haircut. Another reason of not having to cut off a big portion of your hair is because of split ends. When you have a split end, there is not one product in the world that can fix it or make the hair like stick back together. The only way to fix it is by cutting it off, because when a split end grows, that split end just doesn't go away. It travels all the way up your hair, splitting all the way up until sometimes it reaches the root. That means that the split hair doesn't grow. It makes the hair look more dry, coarse, and unhealthy. So sometimes when we think that our hair is dry, it's because we have split ends. What I like to do is pick one day each month depending on my hair goals, and I combine different goals for each every coming month, and I cut off like 1/2 to 1 inch. So I only go to the hairdresser like once or twice a year to have a styled haircut, and I always bring my Morocco method scissors with me because I don't like any other scissors and energy touching my hair, and these are such good quality and the hairdressers will know how to use them.